Introduce yourself in English. Hi, hello, what is your name? My name is Ali. What is your name? I am Talha. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Lahore. Where are you from? I am from Multan. How old are you? I am 25 years old. How old are you? I am 26 years old. Where do you live? I live in Lahore. Where do you live? I am from Multan, but I am currently living in Karachi. What do you do? Are you a student or do you work? I work at a school. I am a teacher. What do you do? I work at a hotel. I am a manager there. What does your father do? My father is a businessman. That's great. What do your parents do? My father is a doctor and my mother is a housewife. How many siblings do you have? I have one younger brother and one elder sister. Good. I have one younger brother. What do you like to do in your free time? I like gardening and reading books. What kind of books do you read? I like reading horror stories. What are your hobbies? I like watching movies in free time. Now it's your turn to speak. I will be speaking first person's dialogue and you will be speaking second person's dialogues. Let's practice together. Hi. My name is Ali. What is your name? Nice to meet you too. I am from Lahore. Where are you from? How old are you? I am 26 years old. I live in Lahore. Where do you live? What do you do? Are you a student or do you work? I work at a hotel. I am a manager there. My father is a businessman. What do your parents do? How many siblings do you have? Good. I have one younger brother. I like gardening and reading books. I like reading horror stories. What are your hobbies?